Hey guys, what's up? It's Tomo here. I took this recording from my Twitch channel, so if you enjoyed that, make sure to follow my Twitch. I stream whenever I can. I won't be streaming for a little bit, but just make sure to drop a follow so that you can be on time when I do start streaming again. Um, and yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the video and watch to the end.
I don't know if you noticed, but I've been very tired recently. Oh boy. Oh shit, I forgot the controls. I'm sorry. No, I don't. I forgot the controls. Okay, E. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been very tired recently. Oh no. And I'm afraid to say it's starting to weigh on my morale. Boy. Let me guess, you need your own fucking home. Ugh, I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I think the guest house, as lovely as it is, might not be very good for me. It's a bit too noisy and quite cramped. Well, yeah, it is kind of a shithole. It is pretty bad. I guess they want their own personal house. I hate to ask this of you, but could you maybe arrange for me to have a little private space on the boat? I think it would help me tremendously, and then we could continue our lessons. But nothing too fancy. No, it's not gonna be anything fancy, dude. Don't worry. There's a place to sleep and meditate. Do that on the fucking deck. Lush greenery. Oh my god, dude. No, and I'd be delighted if I had natural stones. Yes, that would be splendid. Back to the past. Head over to Villa Maggiore. That sounds like this is actually like part of the game. Woodwork. Build a sawmill. Yeah. And then build summer sanctuary. Okay. Alright, build. Sawmill. We need maple logs. Maybe we can build... Okay, so... regardless of what we do, we're gonna need to actually... Concept thread here. I was gonna use it to weep, but... Yes. Yeah, it's really useless, but... that's fine. That's right, dude. I need to actually feed these people. Oh, but I had carrot seeds. Dude. Let's go over to that place. Maybe they'll have... Yo. Yeah. Oh wait, yeah, don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. You go in here, and then you press that. And then you look for the thing. Very bright. What's this? Great. Okay. Mount Toromoy. That could be interesting. Villa Maggiore. I think that's where we're supposed to go. Alright, let's water these plants. And then let's keep heading out, dude. Go, let's check on these people. Make sure they're hungry. Food. Okay. Whoa, what happened? I thought you were really happy a moment ago. Okay. Mood? What's your mood? You're fine. What's your mood? God, these fucking children. And you're only slightly green, even though I've given you everything you want. Okay. Let's chill. That's fine. We there yet? Alright, we're there. Oh. Alright, let's see what happens. Exclamation point immediately. That's what you like to see. People bitching at you. Oh, it's been... Read. How long it has been since we've been here together, Stella? So long. Seems Jerry has been taking good care of the premise. He's always been the best gardener we had with us. Mom has not been home much since father has died. Oh. Chet, I'm much more emotional than I thought I could ever be. Wow, that's really good writing. I love this house so much. It's a massive fucking house, dude. As much as I hated it, probably. Look, I don't think I can go in there. Even with you. It's just... No, I can't. Go without me. I'll wait for you here. Here's the key. Oh, and Stella, if you stumble upon my old music box, could you bring it back to me? Thanks a lot. Remember, this house has always been a real labyrinth. Well, that's European fucking architecture for you. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. If you're lost, you have to follow the light. Oh my god. Luck in there. I'll wait for you outside. Dude, it's literally just a house on an island. Is this supposed to be like the Egyptian shit? Egyptian mythology thing? That makes a lot of sense, idiot. All the light. All the light. All the light. This is... There's nothing even in this house, it's just ladders. I could see how you could hate this house. Like I was literally just here. What's this? Boom, loom upgrade, music box. You know, everything I own is of the finest quality. Everything is also bolted down, so don't get any funny ideas. That is racist. Yeah, everything is mine. Have you seen my splendid silverware? It's very pricey. Okay, so we can't buy anything. There you go. On the box, could you give it to me? No. Give the music box. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, you found something else? I'm a nifty guy. Wow, I forgot we even had that. It's an old manual for a golden royale. Okay. Remember, they had one as first prize in the town's yearly tombola. Why can't you just read? I dreamt of having this machine since second grade, but father would never let me participate in the lottery. Well, he probably didn't want to instill gambling habit. Very bad. This manual will come in handy. We can use it as an upgrade for the loom. Yeah, let's get back to the boat. Alright. And forget this place ever existed. Chill with me, bro. It's quite the place. I'm getting the feeling that it is kind of like Egyptian thing. Like, or like Omen, or whatever his name was, would like take your spirit and like all your tomb stuff on like a day journey. Boat. And it would be really comfortable if you did the right job. Or something. That'd be pretty deep. It's too dark to navigate. It will be possible again at dawn. Hey Stella, what's up? Stella, never mind. Nostalgia is not my forte. I'm slightly happy the villa is still in good condition though, so it is your forte. Or is it? Okay, let's change the subject. Hey, you brought it up, dude. You must have noticed the improved tab in your blueprint table. Though through there you can add decorative elements to the spirit houses and the stations. It's time to upgrade this loom of yours. Once you've got the required resources, go for it. It's the only way to craft fabric from thread. Go on. Alright, this. Upgrade. Okay, well, I do not. We're gonna have to do a lot of things to get that. Dude, I don't want to play your dumb game. Okay, focus, focus. No! Ooh. No, chill, chill. 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 Okay, get up. Get it up there. Eel! Gross, dude. Maybe it's like electric eel. Like made out of lightning or some shit. Come on. Dude, stop. Storm, let's try and catch some lightning. Remember your Everlight will protect you. What do you say? No, that's too bad, Sprout. Maybe next time. Maybe, but don't keep your hopes up, dude. I'm tired of your shit. Hey, I came here to cut down these trees. Oh no. But I forgot my axe. I'm not gonna start using someone else's axe. That would be strange. I like the way my axe feels. It's so sturdy and it calms me. I'm glad. Oh, I miss that axe. I've been passing time writing letters and throwing some. Oh my god, what? I've been writing poetry about your axe. I'm getting better. Well, practice makes perfect. Hopefully no one finds my terrible poetry. But look for that. You idiot. You can't get up now. Okay. Please be maple. You look maple-ish. Gotta check that tool shed after this thing falls. That is maple. That literally just is the greatest thing ever. Gonna cut down more. Yeah, there you go. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Blammo. Did you get those? Get those for that snake. That's for some reason a vegan. Let's get this poetry. I'm gonna keep that. Okay, thank you. Why did I forget my axe? I'm lost without it. Dude. It's okay. It'll be okay. Let's make this stupid sawmill. Sawmill. Oh boy, that is large. Okay. This will change our lives. Wow. I knew you would like that. You're my favorite character. You have ADHD just like me. Wow. This looks amazing. I built it. Thank you for helping me out, Stella. This sawmill is so big. I know, and it has bubble glass like it's a fucking dentist. I don't understand. What a beauty. There must be one problem. There is just one problem. Now, don't get mad. It's the glass, isn't it? I don't have any money to repay you. Dude, one... I guess that's why they call it a favor. You see what I did there? Thanks again, Sprout. I wasn't aware that I was supposed to get paid. I thought I was like these people's dads. Yeah, that didn't seem right. Let me give you a hand. While you're cutting these logs, you need to make sure your measurements are accurate. Then you can measure twice and cut. You just need to keep your saw blade steady and on the cutting line. Okay. If you don't do it properly, you end up losing a pinky or an arm. Well, I don't want to do that. Or something worse. My hair. And hit it from the old hammer for good luck. Wait, dude. Do you even speak English, Thomas? Give it a try now, you rascal. Right. Fuck. That was hard. Would you look at that? That was not very. You did great. No. Don't patronize me. Just remember to be careful with this sawmill. Don't go and mess around with dangerous saw blades. Just because you got leftover wood doesn't mean you should cut your hand. Okay. Let's just knock that out. What is your deal, dude? Oh my god, what? As you know, I tend to get hungry. Oh. That's just a fact of life. Sometimes when I do, I get hungry for really specific things. Your Aunt Viv will call me laser focused Tommy. Don't get me wrong, I still pretty much whatever you put in front of me. I just like for it to put in effort. Okay. Okay, what is it? What is it? Okay, what is it? What do you want? Where'd you go? God, dude. That's so much ADHD. It's uncontrollable. Wait. That didn't. Oh, this is quite nice. You better say thank you. Oh my god. Just got it in there and just zonked out, dude. What do you want? Oh, this rain. Will it ever stop? I don't know.
Hey guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. I just got knee surgery, so this is why I'm kind of loopy right now, and that I got a stain on my shirt, and I'm laying on my fucking couch. If you enjoyed my YouTube video, please share, like, and comment. It seriously helps me out. This is my first YouTube video, so if you enjoyed it, please share your support. I'd be much appreciated. Give me any suggestions to improve my YouTube stuff, to improve my stream. You can go follow my stream on Twitch. It's Tomo is live. Thank you so much for watching.